towards our boat. Though I cannot recognize who he is, I see the heavenly spark in his eyes.
Guru, this is Pingeya. One of your disciples you sent to the conqueror for the path of enlightenment. Our hearts filled with deep emotion, we saw him. His divine mouth has answered all our queries. His eyes can see roots of everything in this world. He's back with the daughter. We're brave man. Tell me, sir, how does a great sage look like? How? Oh, Guru, his godly appearance resembles radiant sun, or midnight's moon at full. The survey of his frame unveils 32 marks possessed by greatest masters of the world. Save me from this death! Save me from this terror of curse! Save me! Save me! Fear not, Master. Fear not. With the ignorance of your head, the way across my lips shall now proclaim. As he descended, so he set it forth. So he set it forth, the spotless, whitest Lord, above all delights and earnings. Where are the other 9 disciples, Pingeya? Where are they? Where are they? My Guru, they have been enamored with the wisdom of the Lord and became monks in order to practice the wisdom. But I came here to spread it across, to remove all the confusion, to dispel all the chaos from the land of Trilinga and make people follow the doctrines of truth and make people follow the spirituality, intellectuality in the land of Trilinga. I hope for the same since my childhood, Pingeya. I am eager to learn the doctrine of truth. Dispel my ignorance, Pingeya. Dispel my ignorance. Dispel my ignorance. Come, my master, come. Let me tell the lovely utterance of him whom crassness smirches not pride besets, not all hypocrisy invades. It is wisdom. It is the truth of wisdom. It is mindfulness that stops evil tides. It is watchfulness and virtuous pleasures that avoids all else and cravings. Let's learn the mindfulness, watchfulness to God and our own. Let's develop virtuous pleasures to avoid all ills and cravings. A being who dispels the ignorance. I serve Lord's truth. A being who wins rebirth. I serve Lord Buddha. Overcoming rebirth? I cannot grasp the depth of it, Pingaya. Did he explain you the meaning of it? Yes, he explained. A man who overcomes rebirth, he wins all Lord. He wins nothing. And nothing is the essence of life. A man who overcomes nothing wins all pleasures. A man who wins pleasures overcomes rebirth. Oh, my Pingaya! I am awakened within by the doctrine of truth, cultivation of mind, watchfulness. I am eager to practice and spread the words of Lord Buddha across our Trilinga Desha. Let us not wait any minute. Move on. Move on. A place where you can spread the truth. A place where you can evolve as a being. A place where you can live without any fear. A place where all ideals, dogmas are tested and adopted. A place where people accept transformation. A place of reformation. A place seeking for truth. Once Trilinga, no Telangana. A land chosen by all religions and sects. A land of secular foundation. Let's invoke the great cause in our minds that stem from the great history of Telangana. And let's make people follow the virtuality, spirituality of Buddha in the land of Telangana.
Is what he taught to mankind. Is what he taught to mankind.
Even before Emperor Ashoka ruled in India, the walls of Buddhism flourished across the
Telangana, even before Emperor Ashoka was in India, the voice of Buddhism flourished across Telangana. Yes, there's Buddhism today and day and night. With the path of love, peace and service to mankind. Journey of Buddhism began in Telangana. Journey of Buddhism began in Telangana. Towards the Southeast Asia. Towards the Southeast Asia.
Nothing is yours, nothing is mine. Everything is ours, everything is divine. Now shall be content with what God given. He says ultimately human destination.
Kings, queens and contentment now and forever. Kings, queens and contentment now and forever.
Rise, shine, progress, road to peace, charity.
Telangana from Telangana, this is the land, this is the land. Telangana, the holy land, this is the land, this is the land. Telangana, our motherland.
This is the land, this is the land, Telangana, the holy land. This is the land, this is the land, Telangana, our motherland. Thank you so much for taking us through this wonderful journey of Buddhism in Telangana. And right now I request Dr. Kumar Garu and his crew also to join his cast on the stage. Now I take the honor to call upon Dr. Anand Kumar Seri to felicitate firstly Dr. Swami Garu.
As I promised you, Dhammaputris and Dhammaputras, of a very fine performance, and you deserve every big applause from all the audience. Not only have you performed well, but I know personally that you have put a lot of effort. What we have seen is the crystallization, distillation of great effort, great commitment. And being young, I can visualize many more things to take place with your leadership. And I congratulate you. It makes us proud to have such wonderful talent, such committed talent, and such vibrance and vigor. With that kind of dynamism, I think you will go far. And I appeal to our brothers and sisters to give all your support. The corporation, the government can do only so much, but each and every one of you can add on and make things happen. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I also take the honor to call upon Vedakumar Garu onto the dais. Along with him, I request Srinivas Garu, the senior manager from Singarini Collieries, to join the dignitaries on dais, and also Manohar Garu, General Manager Telangana Tourism, to come onto the dais.
Another person who deserves heartiest congratulations and applause is the scriptwriter, songwriter, and he has put all the ideas into the dialogue and the songs. Thank you.
I request Dr. Anand Kumar Seri Garu to felicitate Dr. Kumar Swami Garu with a memento. Kumar Garu to quickly address the gathering.
I would like to thank all of you for being with me in this journey of 1.5 hours to experience the glimpse of what actually happened in Telangana 2000 years back. And I would like to thank Sir. Actually, I met Sir before finalizing the script. He made so many corrections and gave really great advices to make this more perfect. So I really, on behalf of my team, I'm really thanking you, sir, and thank you so much for this felicitation. This is really most memorable time for me at this venue. And I would like to thank Mallepalli Lakshmaya sir and Vedakumar sir and Manohar sir and Purandar sir and Shyam sir and also Kavur Srinivas garu wrote lyrics in Telugu. So we translated it into English and composed. Pawan garu composed it in a more contemporary way actually. So it's a first of its kind of attempt we did, and I hope you all enjoyed this. We would like to showcase this show in different places to explore the historical evidences already available in Telangana, the great land, our motherland. I thank entire my crew for putting hard work since the last 25 days continuously. So thank you so much. I would like to thank everyone who associated with me directly or indirectly, and also audience. Some of the audience are really great friends of mine, and I'm really thankful to them. I hope you have a memorable visuals in your mind and you can take it to home. It's a takeaway. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Now I request Vedakumar Garu to felicitate the Assistant Director, Deepu. Assistant Director Deepu, you are requested to come on stage. I request Vedakumar Garu. Now I request Srinivas Garu from Singareni Collieries to felicitate Kiran Kumar, who has done the Bhavri character. Can you have a big round of applause for them, please? Now I request Manohar Garu to felicitate Krishna Chaitanya, who's acted in Pinya's character. Pinya is already having a lot of fan following. Now I request Dr. Anand Kumar Serigaru to felicitate Shashi Rekha character, the female who acted in Shashi Rekha's character, that is Dominica. And she's also the singer for the song we just heard. I request Vedakumar Garu to felicitate Gautami, who is the song choreographer for this ballet.
Gacchami, Buddham Sharanam Gacchami, 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 Dharmam.
Now I request Srinivas Garu from Singareni Collieries to felicitate Anil Kumar, who is behind the set and all properties here.
Sangam Sharanam Gacchami, the Lord Divine, please to welcome to our tasty ground. The Lord Divine, please to welcome to our tasty ground. Karma way to life, karma.
I request Manohar Garu to felicitate Pawan, who is the music director.
What
talk to mankind.
Pavan Garu, who has composed this song.
Talk to mankind.
Even before
So I request Vedkumar Garu to felicitate Gopala Krishna, makeup artist for the whole ballad.
Telangana, even before Emperor Ashoka rules in India, the voice of Buddhism flourished across Telangana. Here stands Buddhism
Now I request
in mankind with the path of love, peace and service to mankind. Journey of Buddhism began in Telangana. Journey of Buddhism began in Telangana towards the Southeast Asia. Towards the Southeast Asia.
nothing is yours, nothing is mine. Everything is ours, everything is divine. Now shall be content with what thou giving. He says ultimately human destination.
Peace and contentment now and forever. Peace and contentment now and forever.
Now I request Dr. Anand Kumar Seri Garu to felicitate Srinivas Garu, lyrist, writer Srinivas Garu, and the person behind the magical words of the song.
This is the land, Telangana, the holy land. This is the land, Telangana, our motherland.
Now I request both the dignitaries, Anand Kumar Seri Garu and Vedkumar Garu, to hand over the certificates to all the cast here. First it is Pranadeep Salapalli, Sanjukta Rao. Next it is Sanjukta Rao. Manaswini, I request Manaswini to come forward and collect a certificate. Next it is Girija.
Buddhism itself, Lord Buddha himself. Buddhism itself, Lord Buddha.
Next I request Pranati to come forward to collect her certificate. Next it would be Chinmayi. Chinmayi, please come forward to collect your certificate. Next it would be Smikita.
Gacchami, gacchami, Buddham sharanam gacchami,
I
gacchami.
would like to call upon Hina Bindu to collect her certificate.
Buddham sharanam gacchami.
Next I would like to call upon Mr. Avinash to collect his certificate.
Speak out, the Lord divine, please to mankind to always speak out. Karma way to life, karma way to life.
Next I would like to call upon Sheikh Khalil Pasha to come forward to collect his certificate.
Is what we talk to mankind. Is what we talk to mankind.
Next it would be Shiva Prasad.
Even before Emperor Ashoka rules in
Next I would like to call upon Vikas to come forward to collect his certificate.
flourished across
Telangana, even before Emperor Ashoka rules India, the voice of Buddhism.
And it would be Rakesh Kumar Soni who is coming forward to collect his certificate next.
Buddhism today and that day in mankind, with the path of peace and service to mankind.
And next it would be Shivaram Reddy.
Buddhism began in Telangana. Journey of Buddhism began in Telangana.
Next I would like to call upon Dharma Raju to come forward to collect his certificate.
Towards the Southeast Asia.
nothing is yours, nothing is mine.
Next it would be P. Praveen Kumar. Praveen Kumar, you're requested to come forward
Now shall be content.
to collect the certificate. Praveen Kumar.
He says ultimately
visual effects and video effects, P. Praveen Kumar.
Peace and contentment now and forever. Peace and contentment now and forever.
Bright shine, progress, love, truth, peace, charity.
Telangana from Telangana, this is the land, this is the land. Telangana, the holy land, this is the land, this is the land. Telangana, our motherland.
This is the land.
Next will be Pawan Shesha. I request Pawan Shesha to come forward to collect his certificate.
This is the land. This is the land. Telangana, our motherland.
Next it would be Tulsi. I request Tulsi to come forward to collect the certificate. Next I would like to call upon Tulsi. Do we have you here? Okay, the next. I request Gautami to come forward to collect a certificate. Next, I would like to call upon Alakananda to come forward to collect a certificate. Last but not the least, I would like to request Chinna to come forward to collect a certificate. I would like to request Manohar Garu to give away vote of thanks.
Good evening to all. Thank you very much to Director Garu and media and delegates also for sparing valuable time to this program. Thank you.
Tomorrow we have all the foreign speakers addressing. So with this we come to an end